11 years old Sahar and her siblings are setting up an apartment that will become the new home for a refugee family from Ethiopia.
I came here to help. I'm happy.
Sahar and her family are refugees themselves. They came from Afghanistan a few months ago and live in a nearby apartment, which was also fully furnished and ready for them to move in when they came. These volunteers say they want to give back what they got when they came to America.
When I came here, I was confused. Today, I feel good by helping here because I have seen a difficult time like this.
Just in here?
The program to help refugees settle in is organized by a Maryland-based non-profit called KindWorks.
So we work with the resettlement agencies. We find out from them which family is arriving when. And then we reach out to our members. We have over 1,000 people on the KindWorks email list. And we send out a sign-up sheet listing over 150 items that we need. Everything that makes a home a home.
KindWorks has set up 17 apartments so far for refugees from Afghanistan, Syria, and several African countries.
We are have been able to harness so much love and interest and care from Americans who know that these refugees are coming and they want them to feel welcome, and people keep giving, which is so meaningful.
This apartment is ready and waiting for its new residents, who will arrive in a few days to start their new lives. Nilofar, Mughal, VOA News, Riverdale, Maryland.